RAKBANK Titanium Credit Card Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're considering a premium credit card in the WO, the RAKBANK Titanium Credit Card app promises convenience and rewards, but does it deliver real value? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking they must visit a branch to manage a credit card. With the app, you can track spending, check balances, view statements, and even make payments directly from your phone. It streamlines day-to-day financial management. Another advantage is rewards tracking. The app displays your cashback, points, and offers clearly, making it easier to maximize benefits. For example, RAKBANK Titanium cardholders earn points on dining, travel, and retail purchases, and the app helps you monitor which transactions are eligible. Notifications also alert you to limited time promotions, so you never miss a chance to save. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional login issues, and the app may not display all third-party transactions in real time. Additionally, while the Titanium card offers rewards, it lacks the high-tier perks of more premium cards, like concierge services or extensive travel insurance. In conclusion, the RAKBANK Titanium Credit Card app is a convenient tool for cardholders who want to monitor spending and track rewards efficiently. The surprising truth is that while it's useful for day-to-day management, those seeking exclusive premium benefits may need to consider other options. If you want an easy way to manage your Titanium card, stay on top of rewards, and streamline payments, this app is worth downloading. Just be aware of its limitations and plan larger purchases or benefits with that in mind.